I love my free sample by Seebeellar, and I hope you like my video as well. So it's a set here of 24 roses, and all you have to do is attach each rose to one stick. This is how you will insert it. This is how it looks. So mine is pink and glitter, and I also got the red roses, if I call it like that. Then on top of that, you want to put a crown, and it comes with extra butterflies that you can decorate. This is great if you want to give this to someone, any person that like flowers, but they don't want to do it the natural way, because you have to throw them away after. So this will remain all the time. So they look very pretty to decorate a dining room, living room, or a room. Very girly, very pretty. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you give them a try, and thank you for watching.